Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Monsoon Raid. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to the channel now by clicking the bell button next to it. Today we are going to the house and tomb of the national poet Kuvempu. A beautiful tourist destination located in Tirthahalli taluk of Shivamogga district. Kavi or Kuvempu's house is a three-story house built in the traditional style of the old days amidst this beautiful green forest. And we see the glory of our past culture. This house has been converted into a memorial museum for Kuvempu by the Kuvempu Foundation. And the museum here houses the clothes used by Kuvempu, the pens he used, the awards he received, the books he wrote, and some photos of his life. After seeing all this, we set off to a divine place where Kuvempu, immersed in nature, wrote his poems praising the beauty of nature and became one with nature. This is the serene place where the national poet Kuvempu used to sit and write his poems. It is so serene that we can lose ourselves in it. This place, which is still so beautiful, is adorned with greenery during the rainy season.
ನೋಡಿ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರು ಕುಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕವಿತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೀತಿದ್ದಂಥ ಜಾಗ. ಈ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕವನಗಳನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬಿಸಿಲಿದೆ, ಅದೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತೆ.
Friends, this was a video with information about the house of Kuvempu and the place where his grave is located. I will come to you with another new video next time. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.